in overhand on the side plane. And then let's keep the right one spinning, but stall the left one. And then we're gonna, yes, so it comes up in underhand. Then we're gonna keep the left one spinning and stall the right one. And then they should both be in underhand. Okay, so we started with both of them in overhand. Right one spin, left one stops, and then the left one comes up in underhand. So you bowl with the left hand while the right hand is in overhand. And then we're going to keep the left one spinning, so left one spin, right one stop, left one spin, right one stop. Then we're going to take the right hand and bring it up, and then they'll both be underhand. That one should be easier than the other one. Okay, then we're going to do two more of these. We're going to take the left one and stall it, so right one spin, left one stop, right one spin, left one stop. And then we're going to throw the left one like a baseball, so it's going overhand, and the right one's going underhand. Yeah. And then we're going to left one, keep spinning, right one, stop. Left one, keep spinning, right one, stop, and then throw the right one like a baseball, and you should be back in overhand. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing. So we just did this. Left stall, right stall, left stall, right stall. You may not be at that pace yet, and that's okay. Well, now we're going to do it the other way. We're going to do right stall, right stall, left stall. So here we go. Back to overhand with both poi. This time left one keeps spinning. Right one stop. Left one spin, right one stop. Left one spin, right one stop. And then you're going to take the right one and bowl. So you bowl with it while the left one is overhand, right? So you stop the right one, left one's overhand, and then you take the right one and you bowl. So it's underhand, left one's overhand. Then we're going to say right one keeps spinning, left one stop. And then you bring both of them up in underhand. Again, that one's probably easier than the first one. Now, here we go with another hard one. So left one spin, right one stop, left one spin, right one stop. And then we're going to take the right one, throw it over the top in baseball, like a baseball, while the left one is underhand. Yeah, so the left one is under, you're bowling, and then the right one you're going to come up over the top like that. And then we're going to take the left point and stall it while the right one spins. So right hand keeps spinning, left point, stop, and then bring both poi back up into overhand. Again, we're back in overhand, and we're going to do the same thing again. So right one, you keep spinning. Left one, you're going to stop, and if you can make it stall, do that. And then bring it back up, bowl with it while the right hand is still going in overhand. Then we're going to keep the left one spinning, stop the right one, and then bring it up in underhand. So it's bowling. So left is under and right is under. Yes. Now, right one, keep spinning in underhand, so you're still bowling, while the left hand is going to stop, and then you take the left one and you throw it over the top like it's a baseball. Nice work. And then right hand, you're going to stop while the left hand keeps spinning and throw it over the top like it's baseball. Now we're back in overhand. Okay, now we're going to do the right lead. So, left hand keeps spinning, right poi, stop, and when you're ready, bring it back up in underhand like you're bowling. Okay, we'll start again. So they're both overhands. And then the left one keeps spinning, and the right one stops, and then you're going to bowl with the right hand. Yes. Then right one keeps spinning, and left one you're going to stop, and then you bowl and come up in underhand to match the other one. And then left one, you keep spinning, right one, you're going to stop, and then the right one, you're going to bring it up in overhand like you're throwing a baseball, and then right one, keep spinning, left one, stop, and throw it up over the top. Yeah, well, the thing is, you're rubbing your belly and patting your head, but then you're switching, and you're patting your belly and rubbing your head. And that's kind of the thing that's weird, because it's rub your head, pat your belly, rub your head, and you switch between them back and forth again and again. So in overhand with both poi, we're gonna keep the right one spinning and stop the left poi, or stall it if you can, and then bowl to bring it up in underhand. So it's underhand and the right one's overhand. The left one is gonna stall while the right one keeps spinning. And then bring the left one up underhand. So you bowl with the left hand while the right one's overhand. Nice. Then we're gonna keep the left one spinning underhand like we're bowling, and the right one we're gonna stop it again and bowl with it so they both come up underhand. Yes. Then right one's gonna keep spinning, left one is gonna stop, and then throw it like a baseball up over the top so it's overhand while the right is underhand. Nice. And then left one keeps spinning, right one stop, then throw it up over the top like a baseball, and so they're both overhand again. Now we're gonna do the right lead. So the left poi stays in overhand, the right one stops or stalls, whichever you can do. Then bring the right one up in underhand like you're bowling. Then the left one is gonna stop, so the right one keeps spinning, stop the left one behind you, and then bring it up in bowling. So they're both underhand again. Now the left one keeps spinning in underhand while the right one stops, and then you take the right one and throw it over the top like it's a baseball. The left one's bowling and the right one's doing baseball. We're playing two sports at once, and that's why it's so confusing. And then you're switching which hand is doing which sport. Bowling with the left, baseball with the right, and then the last one, we're gonna keep the right one spinning, stop the left one, and then throw it like a baseball. I think that the amount of practice that's necessary for you to actually get the stall to actually stall, because right now you're stopping the poi, and then you're starting the poi. By the time you get to the point where you're actually stalling, your lines are going to improve, I imagine. So I would say focus now on the skill of stopping in the correct order, then moving into stalling in the correct order, and then focus on the cleanliness of the lines as you're doing it. But right now it is that baseball, bowling, baseball. Wait, what? it's that, rub your head, pat your head, rub your belly, switching context thing that we're working on. And I mean, this is a brain game, so yay, it's good for your brain.